Brad Williams, XL Prime. Well, here is choose and ran between. We've been using it over and over. You've probably seen it 100 times, but I haven't explained it. All right, so here we go. Choose ran between. Well, we've done choose before, and we have used ran between before, and we're going to combine them. Choose, ran between, 1, 5, and then you pick whatever you want. 20, 40, 60, 80. Ran between is going to go 1, 2, 3. It's going to go, I'm going to pick something in between 1 and 5. So it could be 20, 40, 60, or 80. You hard code this. So that's why we have set numbers. Hit F9. And then choose is just going to grab whatever ran between picks. How does this look internally? I don't think I can really do anything here. Ran between F9. What happens? F9. And it picked index number 1 to 5. Value, well, we know that. So index F9, 2. It just picked 2, so choose 2. So it should pick 40. What have you, F9. Using a formula based on the choose and ran between, you can rapidly populate a range of cells with random numbers. The formula relies heavily on the choose function. Choose accepts a single numeric value as its first argument, index number, and uses this value to select or return one of the subsequent arguments based on their numeric index. That was at 2. If I hit this again, and we just go in here and hit ran between, F9, 40. 4. Does that mean it's picking 80? Based on this, yeah. But unless it's updated, choose random between. To generate the number ran between, which returns a random integer between a specified minimum and a maximum value. The 1 and 5 is the minimum and the max. That's how you set it up. Choose random between. So random between is just going to pick any one of these things. And then choose just grabs whatever ran between picks. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thank you.